we are going to understand ozonolysis of alkenes and how will you solve quickly problems based on ozonolysis of alkenes. Okay, suppose they give you any alkene and you react it with ozone, and in the second step you react it with zinc and water. What you need to do, you need to break this bond and attach one oxygen across the double bond. Those will be your products. Plus C double bond O. So you are getting carbonyl compounds. Okay, for example, if I take ethene, I am going to get, after ozonolysis, I'll break this bond here, put oxygen on both the sides. I'm getting methanal. Now suppose they ask you other way around. They ask you which alkene would you take to synthesize, let's say, acetone. Okay, so what you do, suppose you want to prepare only acetone, which alkene we should take? Okay, so for that, first you draw the structure of acetone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3, another 2 molecules of carbonyl compound you draw, remove oxygens and join these double bonds together. That will be the alkene which you need to take to prepare acetone. So it is nothing but 2,3 dimethyl but-2-ene. So follow this trick, you will be able to solve your problems. Solve these problems and send me your answers in the comment box. Thank you. Enjoy learning.